picture, put it on my Snapchat. Boss here that jump on the car like hopscotch.
Easy, easy, calm it down. That's what the man, he must say, yo, man take a picture and put it on Snapchat, you know. The man say, head bounce on the tar in a dog. The man say, head bounce on the tar in a youth. Go on.
9 makes me use, put 9 mid. Had it give me the gun, me nah loaf like bread.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. People, I feel the rhythm, I feel the vibes. Right now, I don't know if I reach 10K yet by the time I'm posting this video, but guess what? I'm happy. Right now, man. No, hold on, a Clash song. Right now, a Clash time. Wait, a reaction on the ClashHypeMan. And the ClashHypeMan, dog. Right now, I have savage Savo people. True Hell's Gate. Insect this, Intence this track time, ClashHypeMan, ClashHypeMan. Yo, remember the last video, dog? Savage Savo said something, dog, I run out, you know, and crab up Intence face, you know. Did Intence answer? No, him play a bad man. Because we are going for the second people. People comment on this video to see your comment in the next video. I post and subscribe to the Reaction Boss channel. If you are not yet subscribed to the boys channel, as me I say, run the road to 15,000 subscribers. That's the aim that's to go for this year. Me I feel the rhythm in the people, I'm open I feel the rhythm too. Run tune! People dead enough? Hold on there. You know people dead? We hear the instrumental. We don't hear the instrumental. Man, let me get the gun, you know. What is trap there? Hold on, what is trap? What is trap? What is trap there? John, woman leaves to this trap. I gonna find this trap, you know. If I sing a lick, we find this trap. If you sing lick, I go find this trap. Man, I get props. Well, I get props. Go on! Yes, you're flappy show, man.
Them boy you a chat. I know it's a crime with it.
Bumbuckler. I want me to you. You know say the crime the man deal with it. You know say a crime the Savage Savo boss deal with it. You never know say a crime deal with it. Eh? You lick your head? They must hit them head. Something wrong with them. Go on!
Tell them to stop chat for me, I go to school black clocking on my naps.
Bumbuckler! Boom! The man say if you stop chat off your mouth in you. When I'm gonna get the Reaction Boss merch and forward. Hold on, because I don't feel that joke thing, you know. The Reaction Boss merch and forward in the youth. The Reaction Boss merchandise are forward in the chop in the youth. The Reaction Boss merchandise are forward in the track in the youth. You see me I say? Yeah. And people, your reaction says a lot. Run tune!
Got picture, put it on my Snapchat. Boss here that jump on the car like hopscotch.
Easy, easy, calm it down. That's what the man, he must say, yo, man take a picture and put it on Snapchat, you know. The man say, head bounce on the tar in a dog. The man say, head bounce on the tar in a youth. Go on.
9 makes me use, put 9 mid. Had it give me the gun, me nah loaf like bread.
Yo, people, if I say you go on bad right now, be a fire emoji in the comment section. Be a fire emoji right now. At the ClashHypeMan, that's like a bad no blood clot, you know. At the bad song, the word is a youth. At the ClashHypeMan attack, you know. You know, every song bad, it's on the ClashHypeMan attack. Every song bad. And the song you kick out teeth. Go on!
Skin a scar like egg face, I open like egg.
Him was a maze up in the taking 9 years. Me killing now him dopey rise 9 years.
John Star. Intence, what you gonna do? When something run out on your field, Intence, what you gonna do? Intence, you have to reply now in the dog. Around 10 they shot them and jump in the dog. And the one of them a bad song in the Intence. I'm not saying song them bad tune in Intence. Go on!
She did that get right 9 place. Me gun them a flash bright 9 face.
What? Face like peer, me appear tall.
No, hold on! Intence the same bright? Intence said the man bright, Intence. The man said the gun them a flash bright in your face. Bright in your face, Intence dog. Right in your face, dog. Right in your face, dog. Right in your face, dog. Right in it. Bumbuckler, go on.
Here dance and we never steer. We gon' near shoot boy head a tear. Them a pray pass a clear. My rough fly like spear.
What?
Guys,
No, man, yo, we need some water now. Bumbuckler, dog. Yo, if that's like your bad people, watch it. Look out for my direction. Run somebody, shit.
yeah, bad man for them and we are like a place.
Bumbuckler, the man say, man, like it. We find this trap. Yeah, this trap I can cut there. Yeah, this trap I can get a bucket of water. Get the water there, the people. The water there, the people. And the baddest reaction is watch my YouTube in the people. Which other reaction you say I go on somebody? Just tell me. Make me know. Get little water. See, trap. We find this trap. We find this trap. We find this trap. Little water in the system. Can you think of play thing? You mean, youth? Oh, you mean? Run tune!
Gunshot we am pumping a face, dirty pillar case.
All with them, the dirty shoot all lace. Charity lanes, I could kill them, cause them too hard ears.
Big up yourself, you know, bro, God. Right, is happening time in the comment. Ha! Big up yourself, you know, bro, God. Yo, people, if you're saying a bad moment, to like the video right now. And see if you enjoy the reaction, boss reaction. Like the reaction and subscribe to the channel. With the most lit channel on YouTube right now. The most lit. Yo, it's evidence. Go on the channel and say some just what's a bad scroll. Be a lit content over here. You see me, I say, any girl come over here and get breed. I saw each channel back. If she come on channel, she get breed. If she touch Tyrekevlogs, she get breed. You see me, I say, and you see any man come on channel, any man forward, wipe and come on, any man forward on the channel, they get a girlfriend, same time FM single. Any man come on channel, forward, wipe and come on, run June!
Guys, and we are bad man for them and we are like a place. Gunshot we are pumping a face, dirty pillar case.
You hear that? You hear that? Remember people, the reaction says a lot, you know. The man say, guys, we are in the place, you know. You see when all the album the drop, it's like, when I get a 1 hour long video, you know, the reaction boss ever set so and sit down and walk. When the album drop, you know. Because I go there, up on the gold side, you know. And if you want to find me, you know. Run tune!
Them fit for go war, roll out at car, load a wetty at tie. Find this big dog, watch it head.
No, Intence. It's a direct call out, this is a dog. Hold on. Breaking news. Reporting live from the ClashHypeMan studios. Savage Savo says Intence is afraid of war, so he roll out with the car and be a blood that spray up on her tar. Run tune!
I know we're never too far away. And break and pull up Satan, gonna throw up water, drum never full up on your bomb, let me down boom up.
You one thing we do now, Mr. Savage Savo. You say anytime you have to want to song them, you ever switch up bumbo clap flow up and we saw on the youth. Why is a bumbo clap versatile? Just tell me why you're so versatile. At the baddest reaction you get right now, dog. At the baddest reaction you see now, dog. I tell you already, you know. You see right now, Savage, you're starting to go on with big things. Through the hell's gate, dog. Go on!
Did I tell you no pick up them a switch and never saw up. Push out in a yard to mock.
Hold on, them a switch and never saw up. Hold on, run back, look at it. Run through.
Never saw up. Push out in a yard to mock.
Ready for speak like hella people.
No, star, no, man. Yeah, that's like I kick out teeth, man. Intence in my crowd with my face, man. Intence, I need to reply like right now, man. Intence. Intence. Deal with it. Yeah, man. Somebody did comment. Someone comment some free to Service of a new song. You drop one next song other than this, you know, before this, you know. I want to song the name. That song, watch so much reaction me up on YouTube, me a general. But anyways, I go on Service of a page real quick. He drop a new song today. He must name Alien. See it there? See it there? See it there? People! It's a person that's like, so I get 2 reactions in one video. Who bad so? Who bad so? Switch a character. Boom! What's popping YouTube? You don't know so the ClashHypeMan in effect. Reaction boss in effect. The reaction boss is in full effect right now. We have Savage Savo Alien official animation. What am I gonna do about this? Run tune! Rocket!
You have been chosen to go to Earth.
Yes, you know the Mortal Kombat game settings are like. I understand the man, not the Mortal Kombat, but the talking, the Mortal Kombat. You see me, I say. But I'm forward in the video. You see, I don't know, I'm forward in the video. That. You know them game where you run and you jump and you see me, I say, look, watch it, watch it.
To protect the realm of dancehall music.
Man say you has chosen me to. Why? What you mean? Yeah. How was the animation? I'm thinking it's a video a while ago. I'm going to go on bad and go on crazy a while ago. It's an animation. Hold on. Boy, me I sweat. Me I work too hard now. Go on!
Go, my son.
What that then? Yeah. Baddest thing that's in no contest.
Oh, man, the baddest thing that's in no contest on YouTube right now. People, if you want to work to that by itself, I'm getting to the next video. You think could I get 2 video in that one? No, sir. Big up on yourself. Stop for checking the reaction boss video. You see me, I say. I always love and appreciate the feedback from you guys. So, drop your comments down below in the comment section. You see me, I say, if you're negative, I just delete it. I don't know what chop already, you know. I saw me stay, dog. I'm telling you, the dog, a reaction boss, you know. You see me, I'm free to give you an opinion, but if me not like it, bye! But we know some people that enjoy the reaction boss, so they can say we're 9,000 strong. So, I know, 10,000, me I tell you right now, me think it right now. Me not hide on top, but they think it right now. No! You see me? So, 10K strong. So I know some people like the thing, and some people enjoy the movement. So big up on yourself, Fresh and Boss out of here. We are gonna stream right now too. That's how we do it.